I don't know what this is. Okay, I don't know what this is. But I found it in the fridge, and I usually eat it, and it looks good. But this time it's really weird because look at this. Look at that. What the fudge? This is not soup. It's Jello. Like, I mean, come on, really, really. Ugh. Ugh. Ew, 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 ew. It's like sticky too. Ew, ew. Slime, slime. Oh yeah, that's fresh. But yeah. I don't know what's wrong with it. Can you guys tell me what's wrong with it? Cause it's look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Oh. Ew. It's jiggly. It's jiggly. It's jiggly. That's an egg. It's mushy. Well. Oh. This is very interesting, isn't it? Well, yeah, I'm just having fun with this. I guess that's it. I'm just really bored and I got hungry and this is what I found. It's creepy. Okay, bye!